Hello, this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2014 Ram 1500 ST. Coming in this nice black coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.6 liter engine, has 4-wheel drive capabilities, and taking a look at the back here, we do get that nice tow hitch, backup camera, get a grip step here, mud flaps on the rear, a nice red canopy with mud flaps on the front, heated door mirrors. And moving to the front real quick, we have a block heater, license plate bracket, and that nice Ram grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 6 pretty comfortably. We have this nice gray cloth interior, little storage cubby here, floor mats, carpeted interior with cup holders, your 6 additional seat. You can lift up the seat for additional under seat storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have manual seats with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front. Got your lights, parking brake all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see here that the odometer is sitting at 142,711 kilometers. We do have a nice vinyl wrap steering wheel. We have our gears and cruise control, toggle for your screen, phone and voice, and looking at our screen here, we do get a digital speedometer. We got vehicle info, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup. You can turn off your menu and all that fun stuff. We got cup holders and storage right here with an aux, USB, and a 12-volt. Nice little coin slot. Your 6 additional seat. And you do get storage right here as well. Traction, tow and haul, storage here, and a 12-volt USB, 12-volt right there, 4-wheel drive, gear select, and your climate controls with your hazards. You got a little storage cubby above and below, storage right here with the Ram logo. And looking here, we have our radio, media, phone. You can turn your screen on or off, back, tune, browse, all that jazz. You do get a nice little compass, settings, and more, such as your clock and temperature. Media, you got your Bluetooth. Radio, you get your normal AM, FM, and Sirius XM. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE36394A, and you can head on down to PG Ford or give us a call.